Hello everybody and welcome to this here Cortina vlog. It's just going to be me randomly cleaning stuff up and doing a few things, but as you may note, leak. I wonder what that is. So it looks to me like there was some sort of build up in the cooling system that didn't flush out during that first flush, so yeah, we're probably going to have a good look at that. Other than that, no other drips to report under there, which is pretty damn cool. Unless it's dripped out of all of its fluid, which would be quite bad. So make sure to subscribe for more of this Cortina content. So we've got the Fiat here, the big Fiat Coupe. Lovely car, back on the road soon. You can see obviously on this I've broke a coil spring like a bit of an idiot. So she's next, as well as this here. So I've just had all my lights fixed, by the way. Obviously we all know about this Maestro, so yeah. Anyway, so shout out to Ty Lopez, by the way, real ancient YouTube lore there. What was I doing? I was doing some stuff. Okay, so I have a few things to do. I have to figure out exactly what I was doing. Yeah, I was cleaning up the engine bay and stuff, so we'll get onto that now, and I'll crack the Cortina's bonnet. Well, not crack it, open it. Can you believe, right, I've only just found out where the dipstick is. It's here. Can you believe that? It's been ages, but we are showing pretty good oil quantity. So there was a minor oil leak on the bottom as well at one point. Of course, with that filter change, that was an original motocross filter, I think. It was a Cooper filter. This here, and I'll drop a picture of it, the coil was a Ford Motocross one, so that's pretty cool. Unfortunately now we've developed another leak. It's coming from, is that the float ball on these carbs? I'm not too familiar, to be honest with you, with these Ford carbs. It looks to me like it is that the hose of death has not worked its way off, which is good. It looks to me like it's seeped from this rubber here. So what the best thing to do is, since I don't have one to hand, I'm going to grab some universal gasket. I'm going to put it around that so we don't catch fire and die. No, it shouldn't be that bad, obviously, because it's dripping on this side, it's fine, but any sort of fuel leak, you want to get rid of that immediately. So I'll get that universal gasket on there, smear that on, and then when we get the other one, which should be coming soon, we'll obviously put that one on there, and I think I might rebuild this carb, to be honest with you. And we obviously need to tune it as well. So I'll get that off of there, and I'll start putting some universal gasket on. See, they're squeezing the bloody thing and rolling it up, and then it just comes out the other end. Stupid thing. That's not closed off, is it now? What an idiot. I'll just have to put it on my fingers then. Sod it, I've done it before. So it looks like we've got a bit of a leak on the water pump as well. So I'll put that universal gasket on there the best I can. I've just used it essentially to seal the other gasket, just so I don't set on fire and die. Would be nice to paint this. I've also managed these a bit, but I think we've left our little grommet thing that goes in there, a little foam thing, at the storage place. So yeah, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do much more with that today, but we'll tidy it up a bit more. And then we'll see if she fires up. She probably will. I have no doubt in my mind that she won't. Oh, I'm going to put the L badge on as well today, since we found out it wasn't an L decor, so go get that L badge on. Easiest way to line up a badges, create like a little line under where it's supposed to line up with. So on this it's supposed to line up with the bottom of the O, and then stick it on like that. So using some standard trim tape, and that should line that badge up nicely. I don't know though, I kind of prefer it without. I'll stick this on, we'll see how it goes. You can always take it off again, can't you? So there we are, we've got her on. I'm not sure if I'm a fan though. Again, it wouldn't be the red L badge, because the red L badge is for the pre-facelift Cortina Mark III. That's the facelift version. So now I've stuck that on. Our gasket looks like it's drying. Yeah, we'll try crank her up, and then we've got some errands to run, so you'll join me on that. So I'll mop up all that fuel down there. See, it started pooling. You don't want that. It's that gasket there, so it's like it's blown out a little bit, obviously, as it's expanded. So we'll get that sorted, and then hopefully we should be able to get the show on the road again. So put a bit more on there to eliminate that leak, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't do it anymore for this couple of minute journey while we get it back to where it needs to be. But yeah, I'm hoping that's sorted that, so we'll give it a few minutes to dry and then we'll see how she goes. Of course, we've got that, gonna have to get that gasket set on order, the full set. I want to rebuild that whole carb. That's just gonna make my life miserable sitting there dealing with that. So let's get her all started up in a few minutes when she's all dried up. Hello everybody, you join me on the drive. So these guys, I basically managed to stall it, God knows how, but here we are. I managed to stall it, and all these guys just assumed I broke down, so I just got overtaken by every single person ever, which is very irritating, but I guess I can't blame them. I mean, look at us. So obviously you're gonna hear a bit more engine in this one. Let's see, it's stuff like that that's just really odd. It's just, it needs setting up, it really needs it. And here we are in sunny Sheffield. I'm gonna make sure we don't break the speed limit in the Ford Cortina. Try our best not to. I'm trying to work out on angles with this head camera, by the way, so let me know if you'd prefer more crotch or sky or sunroof, or I'm sorry, this thing, sunroof. They used to be on this road, very road, and a Volkswagen Golf Mark III. They used to just sit. It was really quite interesting, and then one day it just vanished. As you can see as well, I'm getting a bit more confident with her. I'm managing to go in a 40 zone at 33. I am that person that you hate. I need to change it into an actual gear though first. I accelerate up to 37, just as we hit a 30 typical. Let's get it in the third. Slowly sipping at her 10 litres as we drive. But we don't really have that many errands to run today, and I don't think you guys want to see me go shopping. So there's a Mark 1 Corsa in there. Let's just carry on. Our driver shouldn't really be coasting. Shouldn't really be doing that. Also, new sound if you hear it, if you can hear that. New sound. Oh. Live breakdown everybody. Go do the Performance Classic car wave. What are you doing? Go around. You can't just sit there waving at me to bloody get on with it, idiot. What do you think I'm doing? Pulling over? Stupid. God's sake. Yeah, it really needs setting up this. Dude.
Stopped for more than 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, dude's like, this is typical annoyance. Yeah, dude's like, go on then. It's like, if I could go, I would. Obviously, I don't have hazard lights, so I'm gonna have to sit there bloody, you know, doing my indicator. And I did do my indicator. You think I'm just pulling over? Yeah, I'm just gonna pull over in the middle of nothing. Typical crap.
You need a sticker in the back window.
I need a sticker in the back. I don't have hazard lights. May break. Just gonna put a sticker in the back. May break down. We're gonna have one of them scrolling lights that's like, I have broken down, and I just activate a message on here. God, it's so annoying, man. Oh, it winds you up. Yeah, dude, I'm totally. He hears it. He's got his window all the way down as well. He heard the thing splutter to a stop. Does he think I'm just pressing the button on the dash, go full electric mode? No, it's so silly. Anyway, we all deal with this jazz, don't we? All these typical. What is the most annoying thing that you find while driving? Let me know. A classic car anywhere or anything. Typical. I like them Citroens though. But we're on catch bar lane now, and there's lights here, so we need to be, you know, a bit more cautious. We need to not let our revs drop. So I'm gonna, I don't know what it is with this car.
What is that noise? The ticking noise?
I don't know. It's running really bad at the minute.
Yeah, it's been running bad the past couple of days.
It's that little pickup there. There we go. Something wrong with that. Guys in that Zafira liking the car. Oh, right, let's keep going. We've got to see if we can keep the revs up while we sit. There we go. Done it like a pro. I reckon the idle's set too low, don't you? It has to be something like that. Carb set up, idle set too low. I'll set the carb up at the show. It's this guy's right away. Obviously it's a bus. Yeah, I think the idle's set too low and the carb really needs setting up. We might have to go get some fuel soon. In a fucking car I ain't even driven. I've barely driven the thing. Oh god. The joys, eh? Lovely El Grande there. So you gotta, I have to become the idle in the car.
I feel like I've posted in most of them. Just like those random ones that have a similar name, so I can't remember if I posted them or not.
Misfiring. It's like it's not getting that seems really weird. DIY lighting. Oh, hey, don't. Right. Oh no, we've got the dreaded lights. So I will update you guys if I break down again. So I'll see you in a sec. So what you didn't see is we broke down again and Katie's looking at something, so we had to get pushed from there to there. Thanks to the guy who helped us, by the way. Let's go in there. Oh, she's just gone again. She's just gone again. Right. Okay then, you guys will see us again in a minute, but you know it's not always the best to drive classic cars on a daily basis. So we'll see you in a minute. So I've had to take an emergency B&Q trip to get a flathead to adjust the idle screw and this to take the airbox off. God damn it, I didn't take my card with me, but look, a rare sight, a wild shopping trolley. It's natural habitat in Sheffield. So I'll go back to the car and you'll see us both trying to get this sucker started. So after this whole fiasco of cutting out, I think the idle mixture screw, or the idle screw on the throttle must have slipped. So I've just adjusted that and we're no longer hesitating at all, because I think obviously what's happening is it's getting too much fuel, not enough air, and then it's cutting out and splitting to a halt. But now I'm in 4th at 30, she's not hesitating at all. When I was stopped back there it was thingy, but when I was stopped back there and I was setting off, it was perfectly fine. So I think the problem is we don't have a rev counter, and I'm not good with these carbs. I've never ever done anything with them before. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I think that might solve the issue. A £2.47 screwdriver from B&Q saved me a breakdown, so good job boys. I'll see you in a minute. Hello everybody, so that's it. I think we might have solved the problem. If you don't hear from me again, we haven't broken down. So thank you for watching this Cortina vlog. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, hopefully we never thought this was going to be easy. We knew obviously you just get little issues here and there, and yeah, here we are. Our little fibre optic thing or whatever lights in the back of here aren't working, so we need to look at that as well next. But yeah, thank you for watching, keep watching, remember to subscribe for more videos like this.